Hello mga tao! I'm Lara. I'm 21 years old, single from CSB Gapan, and ministries ko are intercessors, media, and ako yung youth leader ng CSB Gapan, Rev Gen. Typical teenager ako. Gusto ko madami din akong friends. And at that point, nung ako'y teenager, very blessed nga ako socially, but it was destroying me emotionally and mentally, and also yung relationship ko with Jesus. Anong mas gusto mo? Maging part ka ng mundo or maging part ka ng eternal life na pinramis ni Jesus?